Hi. Today I'll be cleaning out my closet. Right here. Right here. We'll start from this side. This is a cardigan with a matching tank top. Okay, this is gonna take way longer than I thought. It's cute. I just don't reach for it. I'm gonna keep it. I thrifted this. I don't even like it.
Brother,
Because it's like
what's that?
really cute, and I found it at the thrift store, so I thought I had to get it because it was like a prize. But I really don't like it. I'm gonna try it on and then decide. Same with this. I got this at the thrift store, but this one's cute. I just don't wear it. I just don't know how to wear it. This I thrifted as well. It's cute, right? I think it's cute. I'm not gonna get rid of anything, am I? Such a bad idea. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna start on this side because I'm getting sick of that side. Okay, this one I just got, so we're keeping her. I just need to button her up. Come on. I don't know how to do buttons. Pants. Identical looking pants. This is so bad. This is ugly as. I might get rid of this. Keep. What am I doing? This is so pointless. Okay, let's go with the pants. Alright. This is a pair of skinny jeans. I don't wear skinny jeans. But what if I want to one day? Oh my god. Okay, I'm getting nowhere. Okay, oh, keep her. I really just hate skinny jeans. I might have to try it on first. But like some tops are like you need to wear skinny jeans with them. Like if it's a flowy top, then skinny bottoms. That's how it works, right? I just don't. Okay, I'll try it on. Okay, I'm just gonna put, oh my god, there's a stain on that. Oh my goodness. Like, put my jeans together, and then later, I can just take this whole thing and then try everything on. Oh god. I cannot get it. I have this skirt that I've never worn out, that I thrifted as well. I don't know. Okay, let's talk about jeans. What is this? Oh shit. Oh god, it's falling out. I'm dropping it. Okay. Another pair of skinny jeans. Are you serious? I don't wear any of these. I wear like the same pants, like this one. Not this one. This one, the one with the stain on it. And then just like different tops. That's what I wear. Most days, right? When I'm going to school, like I would wear this t-shirt with jeans and then go to school. It's so pointless. Wait, no, I got rid of one thing. Thanks. Okay, this skirt, it's not my aesthetic. It's just really isn't my style. It's like hippie almost. I'll try it on and then we'll decide. Okay, we're almost done. We're like, we finish. Oh, stop lying to myself. I have so many jeans, but I only have one low-waisted one. Everything else is high-waisted. So I only ever wear the one low-waisted one. So what do I do with the rest of these? But I don't want to get rid of them because I'm like pretty short. So in theory, I should be wearing high-waisted stuff to make me look taller. Another pair of jeans. I'm crazy. Alright, those are all my bottoms. Amazing, we did it. This is cute. She is very uncomfortable right here. I'll try it. I'm tired already. Ooh, I got this thrifting too. Everyone hates it, but I love it. I'll try this on as well because I really don't reach out for this. She's cute. I'm not sure about her. My one flannel shirt that I never freaking wear. This one as well, I don't wear. This one as well, I don't wear. This one as well, I don't wear. This one, denim jacket, I don't wear it. I don't know why, I don't know how to wear it. Denim jackets are just not very comfortable and not very good at being a jacket, like keeping me warm. It's just keeping me a little bit warm and a lot uncomfortable. She's cute. Oh my goodness. It's just not trendy. Like, I don't see anyone wearing denim jackets nowadays. But I'm gonna keep her. This is actually not that uncomfortable. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm tired. I'm like not even halfway. I have a ton of them. I hate this. I am getting like overwhelmed. What do I do? Okay, I'm gonna time lapse. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I finished. Pretty good. Here are all the clothes that I'm gonna try on and decide if I'm gonna keep. Right, but this is pretty good. So I have my jackets, like outerwear, dresses, and tops, and then bottoms. Okay, I'm gonna try on the clothes right now. Okay, this is the first one. I don't think I'll wear it. She's okay. She's just okay.
What's that?
Okay, she's gone. Next is this dress. She's also just okay. Okay, I put my hair up and I actually wore it properly, and she's actually like really cute. Like, okay, I think I'm gonna keep her. This is the top. The back is cute. Okay, and then the bottoms is the skirt. It's just a no. Getting rid of this. Okay, next is the skirt. Okay, this is cute. This is really cute. I just don't know what I would wear with it. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep the skirt. I just need like a top that's like cropped and tight like this. And I think that would be a look. So now I have to go shopping. Next is this jacket. But I've had it a long time. And, ooh, she's so comfy. Oh my god. Okay, I'll keep this. I just need to like, the pocket is coming off, so I need to sew that. Okay, next is this crocheted, I don't know, vest. Why did I even buy this? I don't freaking know. It's so ugly, oh my god. She's not too bad. That, she's okay. She's not bad. Right? She's not bad. I'm gonna get rid of it. Next are these two. Flannel. Yeehaw. What do we think? Is this my color? She's okay. Like, I don't hate it. What's there to hate about this? It's a flannel. Cardigan that I've owned forever. What's there to hate? Literally a cardigan. I don't even know why I'm trying those on. She's cute, right? Oh, I love her. But I want her to fit like this. So I don't know, I have to like sew. It'll work. It'll work. Okay. It's fine. Next. What the hell? What the hell is that? She's okay. But what the heck is this? Okay, I think I'll just sew it down. Like right here. And we'll keep her. Next. What do you wear with this? Like, wouldn't you wear skinny jeans with this? Yeah, I'm gonna keep her. Next are dresses. First one. I hate it. I've had this dress for like, I don't know, 11 years, I'm pretty sure. Even more, maybe. I just look like a kid. Or is that the part of the charm? Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it. I have to figure out a way to like take it in. I think that looks much better. This looks sick. I don't care what anybody says. I like this dress. Okay, I ended up getting rid of like 5 things and I just made a mess. That's all I did, literally. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit more strict with these with the drawers. I don't even know where to begin. Okay, my phone died, so I'll be filming on my iPad. Okay, this is done. Next, this is my bottoms. Okay. Okay, I'm getting overwhelmed. Okay, first bottom. I don't know what to wear with it. Okay, let's keep it. Black skirt. It's actually shorts. It's just a skirt here. I also don't know what to wear with this. Okay, I got this thrift thing. It's way too big. She's cute though. I don't think I can salvage it. This one is just too big on me, obviously. This is gone. I'm back on my phone. Okay, now we're gonna be tackling the most extensive category of clothing I have. Tops. I have 2 drawers for them. Okay, I didn't film it before, but it looks exactly the same. Here are all the clothes I decided to get rid of. Not bad. Not bad.